What are you doing exactly?
Um, I'm actually trying to break the Guinness World Record for the longest tree hugging marathon. And I'm a mental health advocate and a climate change advocate as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your aim? When did you start this? Ulianza kufikiria that you can do this ilianzaje?
Well, I'm an artist as well.
Okay.
So, as you know, artists are creative, and all the time, an artist is trying to create solutions to problems that we face. So, I started of course, as a climate change activist, and I found a discipline that is not yet attended to, and this is mental health. So, I'm trying to get the interconnectedness between climate change and mental health. And so, here I am to bring the message to the world and to bring the solution to the world. Um, that hugging the tree boosts your mental health. Yeah,
Ulianza lini hii shughuli?
nilianza jana.
Jana. Saa
6
ngapi?
p.m.
6 p.m. Right now ni saa ngapi? Sahii ni saa ngapi? Sahii ni 9:37. It means you've been here for how long?
I've been here for around 15 minutes.
15 hours. Hugging the tree.
Yes.
Same position.
Different, yeah. Yes.
Same position.
Yeah.
Is there such a record?
Yeah.
Kuhug tree, and for how long has it been there?
There's been a record for 24 hours, 21 minutes.
24 hours, 21 minutes.
Yes.
Do you feel like giving up yet?
Not yet.
Unataka kupiga masaa ngapi?
48 hours.
48 hours.
Yeah.
What if ushindwe? I'm not discouraging you though. Utapiga?
Niko hapa, siwezi shindwa.
How did you prepare your legs for this?
I was walking for long distances.
Okay.
There's a time I went for 42 kilometers.
Uh-huh.
And now every day I used to go for 5 kilometers for 5 months.
Yeah.
And I also used to fast. So I'm really prepared for this.
Or fast so that you're not distracted to like go to the loo or something.
My body to stay without food.
Okay.
Yeah.
What if now this is kind of weird, eh? What if right now you feel like peeing right now? You better pee from here.
Okay, for me, you know, a lot of things happens in the mind.
Yeah.
And that's what I believe.
Yeah.
Because it has worked for me.
Yeah.
So for me, I trained my mind. You train your mind.
Okay.
So I've been doing that, and I was sure when I come here, I'm ready for rains, for sunshine, for whatever, and I'm ready to stay without food, and I'm ready to stay without going to the toilet. So it's going to happen. I won't go to the toilet.
Is your aim to be included in the World Guinness Book of Records?
Not entirely.
Okay.
The
But
aim,
it's part of it.
but of course, yeah, it's part of it.
Okay.
But the bigger picture is to also impact the world, impact the community, the global community, with the message about mental health. Yeah.
Nani unafeel ndio wako most affected na mental health issues?
When you're most affected, mostly young people, and especially teens. Yeah.
Wow. 15 hours so far. You are aiming for 48 hours.
Yeah.
So ni siku mbili straight, no food, no water. So this is dry fasting basically. And hugging a tree.
Yeah.
With the aim of educating people about mental health and environment.
Yeah.
That is so kind of you. Unaweza ambia watu waje kuhusu this whole exercise. Your simple part in short.
So this exercise, I'm trying to encourage everybody to embrace this culture of hugging a tree, because it's going to put us away from so many problems. Because when we have mental health crisis, a lot of crisis happens. Because if people are not mentally sober, they're going to do a lot of things. They can do harmful practices like, you know, committing suicide, also killing others, and we've seen that. And a lot of things, a lot of bad things can happen. Even to teens, they do a lot of bad decisions because of trauma. I mean, you're not just yourself, so you're doing the wrong things. And when a lot of people are doing the wrong things, especially the young people, it's going to impact the whole generation, and it's going to impact our country and our continent negatively. Yeah, because there's no energy to boost our continent and economically and also socially.
Are your friends visiting you here?
Yeah, they've been here, some of them, and others are going to stream in just as soon as possible.
Any government officials?
Of course, yeah.
Why did you choose Michuki Park specifically?
Because of its strategic position.
Okay.
It's at the heart of Nairobi city.
Okay.
Like, it's close to everywhere. So if people want to come and visit and maybe see the challenge and try it themselves, it's very easy for them to be here. Yeah.
I understand the guy who is holding the record of hugging a tree for the longest time, 24 hours, is from Ghana or
Yeah.
Nigeria. Ghana.
Then
Ghana. What message do you have for him or her?
I just for him.
Is it him or her?
Him.
It's
It's
him.
called Hakim Abdul.
Mnajuana?
No,
Okay.
actually knew him because of the challenge, but
Okay.
he's a journalist,
Uh-huh.
yeah, and a climate activist, I guess. So my message to him,
Yes.
I just want to thank him for setting the record and also setting the pace. And yeah, that's why we are here, because he set a certain record, and that's why I'm here to break it. So I want to thank him.
You're a bright woman.
Thank
Now,
you.
is it safe to say that you're very beautiful?
Probably.
Asante.
Thank you.